So guys, let's quickly look at the significance of another enzyme, which is lactate dehydrogenase, in diagnosis of organ damage, right? So I told you guys, if you suspect that a particular organ is actually damaged in the body, you might want to do a test um, for the enzymes that are associated with that particular organ. Do you understand? So lactate dehydrogenase is another enzyme in the body that tests can be done for you to access some particular organ damage. So in here in this lecture, we'll be looking at the organs that lactate dehydrogenase is basically what associated to them. Okay, so significance of lactate dehydrogenase in organ damage. All right, so you can see this enzyme can be found in kidney, in the liver, in the pancreas. Okay, so we said that the lactate dehydrogenase is an enzyme that plays important roles in various cellular processes. Okay, this enzyme plays important roles in various cellular processes. Okay, so now in the context of organ damage, these enzymes can serve as what biomarkers to assess the extent of what injury. Okay, so basically, like if you find this enzyme that's a lactate dehydrogenase, if you find it elevated, then you know that there's what an organ damage. Do you understand? So because this enzyme is now associated with some organs, now it can be used, right? Because normally it's maintaining a normal level, normal ranges, right? When it elevated, then there's an organ damage. Okay, so what are the functions of this enzyme? It catalyzes oxidation of lactate to pyruvate. Okay, it's a tetramer with 4 subunits of 2 forms, either the H or M. All right, which give rise to what 5 isoenzymes. All right, examples, we have the LDH1 equals to H4. This is how you write them. We have the LDH2 equals to H3M. We have all these ones are the isoenzymes of what lactate dehydrogenase, right? And they may be specific to different organs. Okay, so if you want to be specific, then you can do an isoenzyme test. Okay, we have the LDH3 equals to HM3. We have the LDH3 equals to what M4. All right, so this lactate dehydrogenase is found in the cytosol of all human cells. All right, it predominates in some tissues. All right, like the LDH1 and LDH2 is mostly found in the heart, erythrocytes, and kidneys. All right, the LDH4 and the LDH5 is mostly found in the liver and the skeletal muscles. Okay, so this enzyme is increasing myocardial infarction, megaloblastic anemia, sickle cell anemia, acute hepatic disease, renal disease, muscle disorder, malignancies, arthritis, joint effusion, and septic shock. All right, you find it elevated in all these medical conditions. Okay, to be specific, then you need to do other more specific tests, right? But at least this enzyme should give you a start point. Do you understand? All right, start point of narrowing your diagnosis. Okay, so that's it about what significance of the lactate dehydrogenase enzyme in diagnosis of what organ damage. All right, so see you guys pretty soon.